Hi, hello, how are you? My name is Anna Timbenzel. Welcome back to my channel. This is question number 43 in this LeetCode problem set. I did this solution in Python, and for the life of me, I cannot figure out where OBS saved the video of this. So I'm sorry, you guys. I'm pretty new to OBS as a whole, so this is I'm still kind of getting the hang of it. But I did want to have multiple camera angles and not have the same problems with Loom. But we also face our own set of problems. So without much more talking, I'm going to go through my solution here, and as you guys can see, I did this yesterday, or actually, sorry, 2 days ago, and I did not do very well. So when you're looking through the solution, just keep in mind that I did not do great. I only beat 26% of users that use Python in runtime, and then again, for memory, I only beat 30%. So this is one that I'm looking forward to redoing later on down the road, but this is question number 43, multiply strings. So we're going to go over the question here, which is given two non-negative integers num1 and num2 represented as strings, return the product of num1 and num2, also represented as a string. Note, you must not use any built-in big integer library or convert the inputs into integers directly. So with that kind of being said, I set this up so that if either of the numbers is 0, then the result is 0, and that's what I started off with. I figured that would be a great way to get rid of those kind of edge cases as a whole. I then initialized this result array with zeros, and then from there, and especially this area, this is when I took where I multiplied the digits and added kind of the appropriate position to the results, and then used that update to carry over for the next iteration. Then we here convert those results array to a string because it had to be in a string. And then this is where we removed all the leading zeros. So the original test that I didn't remove that because I did the calculation incorrectly. So we remove those leading zeros here, and then we return the results as a string, and if there's nothing there, then it will return 0. So and I'm going to show you guys when I run it, it tests well, and the runtime is 32 milliseconds, and it does what it needs to, but it definitely needs to be improved. So that is this solution that I had, and again, not the best solution out there, but it is a solution nonetheless. So I hope that kind of explains question number 43. I have this in my GitHub repo, which is down in the video description down below. You guys, please fork and clone, make it better, make it worse if you can. I don't know if you can. Learn something new and have some fun. That's what this is all about. It's, keep it light. Don't take it too seriously. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.